this video. May 28th Menstrual Hygiene Day. Here are 5 important reasons why it is important to maintain good hygiene during periods. Reduced risk of urinary tract infections. Using damp and dirty menstrual clothes or using a sanitary napkin for longer than 4 hours can act as a perfect environment for growth and multiplication of harmful bacteria and yeasts. Hygienic menstrual practices can be achieved through the sanitary napkin vending machine, where this machine can be fixed anywhere in public places or restrooms that make an easy way to access the napkins.